Wait, yo, what the fuck is this? What Redbone would sound like if Carl Weezer? Oh God! All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, okay, okay. I love this song. Dun, 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 dun. What's my favorite Gambino song? Is this one. Reason why is because my mom and myself, we love this song so much together. We will literally, whenever this song we play, we will vibe out to it so much. That's like the main reason why I love this song so much.
Daylight, I wake up feeling like I won't play right. I used to know, but now that shit don't feel right. It made me put away my pride.
What the fuck is that?
Away my pride. So long.
Why?
Made a llama wait for some so long.
Why do people do this,
You
dude?
made a heart of fall like that to no right. I'm wishing
This is how I sing in the shower.
I could make this mine. Oh, if you want it, yeah, you can have
No, 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 dude. There's a better one. There's a better one than this one.
I'll
look for it, I'll look for it.
Ooh, we can make it. Ah!
Oh my God.
If you want it, you can have it. But stay woke. Llama's creeping. They
Dun,
go
dun,
find you.
dun.
The cage is sleeping. Ooh, now stay woke. Llama's creeping. Now don't you close your eyes.
Okay, dude. All right, all right, all right. What the fuck are we doing?